On Monday, September 11, 2023, the Dow Jones was up 87.13 to finish the day at 34,663.72. The Nasdaq was up 156.37 to finish the day at 13,917.89. The S&P 500 was up 29.97 to finish the day at 4,487.46. Expect an upwards bias in the markets the next 24 hours. Expect a risk-on environment the next 24 hours where the CAD, Canadian dollar, and AUD, Aussie dollar, will increase in value. The strongest currency pair the next 24 hours with an upward bias will be the CAD, CHF, Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, followed by the AUD, USD, Australian dollar, United States dollar, with also an upwards bias. Remember, this information is not trade advice but to be used for educational purposes only. Good trading. As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.